Even if you thoughtfully examine the match between the employee and the role, you have still got a problem. No matter what conclusion you come to, the employee will invariably want to move up. The employee will want to be promoted. Every signal sent by the company tells him that higher is better. A larger salary, a more impressive title, more generous stock options, a roomier office with a couch and a coffee table, all this and more awaits the lucky employee on the next rung on the ladder. No wonder he wants to move up. These blazing neon lights are a damaging distraction. They not only tempt employees to jump from excellence on one rung to mediocrity on another, they also create a bottleneck. That is, legions of employees all trying to scramble onto increasingly fewer rungs. Conflict and disappointment are inevitable. There has to be a way to redirect employees' driving ambition and to channel it more productively. Make every role performed at excellence a respected profession. Many employees will still choose to climb the conventional ladder, and for those with the talent to manage others or to lead, this will be the right choice. However, guided by meaty incentives, many other employees will decide to redirect their energies toward growth within their current role. Great managers envision a company where there are multiple routes toward respect and prestige. A company where the best secretaries carry a vice president title, where the best housekeepers even twice as much as their supervisors, and where anyone performing excellence is recognized publicly. If this sounds fanciful, then there are techniques that great managers are already using to build such a company. My website is up and running and can be logged at www.asifjmeer.com. Also visit my blog at asifjmeer.wordpress.com. Have a wonderful day.